In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the queue ID in Salesforce quickly and efficiently. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a handy refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to start by logging into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper right corner and locate the gear icon. This icon is your gateway to various settings within Salesforce. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Advanced Setup. This will take you to the more detailed settings and configuration screen where you can make the modifications or retrieve information you need. Once you're in advanced setup, you'll notice that there's a quick find box in the top left corner of the screen. This box is incredibly useful for navigating Salesforce because it allows you to search for specific terms and menu items quickly. Go ahead and type queues into the quick find box. As you type, Salesforce will narrow down your options, making it easier for you to locate the feature you're looking for. When you see the queues option appear in the list below the quick find box, click on it. Now that you've accessed the queues section, you'll be presented with a list of existing queues that have been set up in your Salesforce environment. This list includes all the different queues that have been configured by your organization. Find the queue label for which you want to find the ID. Click on the specific queue label that interests you. Once you've clicked on the desired queue label, switch your attention to your web browser's URL bar. The URL displays various pieces of information about your current page, and this is where you'll find the queue ID. Take a closer look at the URL. You'll see that it contains a segment that mentions ID followed by a string of characters. The characters directly following ID make up the queue ID you're looking to find. In some cases, this string of characters could be 15 or 18 characters in length. Both formats are used in Salesforce and either could appear depending on your specific setup. It's crucial to copy this ID accurately, as it's essential for any processes, integrations, or troubleshooting you might need to perform with this queue. And there you have it, you now know how to locate a queue's ID within Salesforce. This simple yet powerful piece of information can streamline your work and enhance your administrative efficiency. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Be sure to check back for more quick and easy Salesforce guides in the future.